Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks draw a crowing rooster. So generally a rooster tries to crowns during the early morning for a general way of saying good morning, or they wants to alert their flock for their for a territorial reason or for boundaries. Okay, so we will try to draw the bird. So basically we can start with a basic shape. Okay, like how the visualize the bird as their basic form. Now these kind of questions can be given because we all see these birds quite often. So the question itself is not just about the drawing of the bird, but is also about how uh, you are aware of the things, anything that is in around you that you see often. So anything that is quite regular in your life, that can form a drawing questions in your examination. So don't consider this as just a question to draw a rooster, but it is a question that how well you are aware of your surroundings. Okay, so see, we have tried to create the drawing of a rooster, and that is in a very basic shape. After that, we will try to give the direction of its beak. Okay, and then the most important, that is the top portion of it, and the other features. Okay, so now you see we have most of the identifying feature of the bird, and thus you can give indication of the feathers, and then these feathers. So the lines that you are going to draw, that you are going to give, always remember that it is accurately portrays the features of the bird. And then the back portion. So each portion of the bird has a feathers, but each of the feathers has a different textural quality and a different form. So that has to be evident in your drawing. Okay, so once you achieve that, then your drawing will have certain amount of likeliness and also the depth. So once you have this, then you can go for slight amount of coloring. So suppose we know that the top portion is red in color. This entire portion. Okay, then this part you can think of white. Okay, so there are lots of colors that you will see in a rooster. So you have to mindful about what are the colors that you are trying to use, because there are lots of combinations, but some general colors that you will see that way, and the same thing that we are going to use here. So then we can use a dark bluish color, which we often see, and use that as a feathers for the inside. Okay, so it's just plain and simple line drawing that you can achieve through your color pencils. Okay, for this portion we can use the same brownish color, and we often see a certain amount of reflections over these areas. Okay, so that what makes the color of the rooster. You can give a little added depth to these portions. After that, for the final finish, you can just use that black and final shades to give it a little bit of depth in your drawing. And this can give it a interesting finish. So finishing off with the legs, and then you can give a slight indication of where the bird is standing. All right. So I hope you understood how to start from the basic shapes and then start coloring in a way that gives interest in your drawing and looks convincing. Keep practicing with other birds that you see often and increase your visual vocabulary. Thank you.